settings, and after a while, though I changed them like maybe 3 months ago, or last 2 months ago. Are you serious, ass?
You want that turn, you see? Supposed to do all
okay, Presto.
At $320 a share. And you think they... were customers that were a
program. The mass vaccination site is open 24 hours a day.
This morning from a theater on 34th Street in Midtown with more on that. John.
Yeah, good morning to both of you. Well, last to open the first day. That's right.
Yeah.
That's got really weird there for a while.
And they also
Ghost
expanded in Target too.
Yeah.
Okay, Presto.
We talk about that, but they're still immediately encouraging you to comment. Now, I don't know if it will remain some version of all of these, and depending on the scenario or the individual, you would get a different one. But it does cause me to reflect on how prominent the comment section used to be, where you would just scroll down and make all right there.
Yeah.
And obviously, YouTube wants to make moves away from that and is experimenting with the best version of how to do so.
This is crazy.
I guess you guys can let me know in the comments out of those 4 options if you're
Look at this, man. Wow.
Which is
Okay, Presto.
It's
crazy.
I prefer the comprehensive one.
All these double park is making you navigate the wrong way and all that.
Just press 4.
Hey guys, my name is...
Okay, Presto.
Oh. Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto.
Nobody could ever have it after that. It's crazy how that can work. Or like, you talk about... Because I'm...
Less. Older workers, health insurance is about
Sometimes he would do some shit like that. So with this guy, okay, Presto.
My kids, the footage,
Yeah.
and you know what they said? They said,